Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all methods that allow you to take screenshots on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. The first method is by using two buttons at the side of the device, that is the power button and volume down button. If you simply press both these buttons at the same time, then you will capture the screenshot. In addition to that, we can also use gestures, so we can swipe with 3 fingers, like so, in order to take the screenshot. We can also press and hold 3 fingers on the screen in order to take a partial screenshot. And while holding, we can also drag down in order to immediately capture the area. Or we can press and hold, release the fingers, and then select the area, like so. Now, in addition to that, you might need to make sure that these gestures are enabled. So you can open the settings, and then in the settings go to accessibility and convenience, and over here choose screenshot, and here you have all these 3 ways to capture the screenshot. So we have the swipe down, touch and hold with 3 fingers, power and volume down buttons, all of which can be enabled and disabled over here. Now, in addition to that, we can also use the quick access. So if we swipe down twice, over here we have quick access, and you might be able to find the screenshot button. In my case, it is over here, and I can press it in order to capture the screenshot. In addition to those screenshot methods, we can also capture the scrolling screenshot or long screenshot. So let me actually open the Google app, as it contains lots of news, and we can scroll through over here. So if I now take the screenshot, so let's do it like so. Now I can press scroll in order to scroll through the app and capture lots of content. So everything that I scroll now will be captured in the screenshot. So let's say I want to this point over here. I can press done. Now it is processing, and there we go. Now I can open my screenshot, and as you can see, it is pretty long. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.